Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We're going to be doing a case review today for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. If this is your first time coming on by my Project 13, thank you very much for checking out the team, the channel here on YouTube. I want to give a huge shout out to iPulse for sending me this case to review for all of you. You're going to like this one for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Galaxy S9 Plus wallet case, leather, iPulse Journal Series Italian, full grain leather, handmade flip case for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with magnetic closure. Now, I have the black one. That is what iPulse sent me. Now, you do have a second option as far as colors. This is the Cognic full grain leather handmade flip case for your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And that's a beautiful, beautiful looking case. $29.98 for both cases from iPulse. Over at Amazon, the link will be down below in the description area. All right, let's get out of there and let's get into the case. All right, let's take a closer look at this full grain Italian leather flip wallet case from iPulse. We don't need that. We don't need that. Inside, you have a TPU case that will house your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. On the other side, you have the wallet part of your case where you can house your Starbucks card or your personal ID, library card, whatever you want to throw in there. Inside of here, you'll be able to house some of your smackarulas. Yeah. Carry a few bucks in there. Very nice. This area right here, the magnetic part of this case has been reinforced. They've added some extra stitching in there, so over time, as this area gets worn out, it will not lose its functionality. Very nice. Let's take a close look at that stitching. Whew. Pure sexiness. That dip right there is so you can turn this flip wallet case into a stand. Look at that. Look at that. Very nice. All right, we're going to check out all the ports. We're going to go ahead and drop my S9 Plus into the iPulse flip wallet case. Everything looking great. I do have an Oteo tempered glass screen protector on my S9 Plus. Let's make sure that that's not lifting up anywhere on my device with this case on my S9 Plus. And I don't see any kind of lifting, everything looking great. It's awesome to see two products come together and not have any issues whatsoever. So the iPulse flip wallet case and the tempered glass screen protector working great together. That doesn't always happen. But I've been very fortunate with every case that I've brought into the channel here, Team My Project 13, that I've used with the Oteo tempered glass screen protector on the S9 Plus. I've had no issues. So that is awesome to see. Let's look at the power button that is exposed. On the other side, you have your volume rocker and your Bixby button, fingerprint reader, dual cameras, and flash. We want to make sure everything works here, so let's go ahead and turn on my S9 Plus with the fingerprint reader here. 1, 2, 3, and bam. We'll turn it off with the power button and do this again. 1, 2, 3, bam. Okay, very nice. And let's test out the volume rocker. Very nice. Turn that all the way down. Okay, and we're not going to turn on the Bixby button because I have that disabled, but I'm sure that's going to work fine. Let's go ahead and try out that USB Type-C port area. Make sure we can power on my device with my USB Type-C cable here. Yes, so there's enough space there to house a third-party USB Type-C cable. Very nice. And let's go ahead and try my wireless charger from JetTech. JetTech. Okay, so we're going to place it on the wireless charger. and bam, very, very nice. Do it again. Look at that. One more area we want to test out is the cameras. Let's take a couple pictures and make sure that there's no shadowing with that cutout back there, that we have enough space to capture great pictures, great video as well. So let's take a picture and let's look at them. Everything looking great. Again, I want to say thank you to iPulse. Thank you very much, man, just for sending me your products and giving me the opportunity to review them for you. Totally digging that. Totally digging the support. And this is just a nice, nice case. It's beautiful. Full grain Italian leather. And remember, you have a second option, that Cognic case as well. If you want something lighter, you don't want something this dark. Under 30 smacks, you cannot go wrong from iPulse. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for being a part. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. I will be leaving the links that I told you about all in the description area. Till my next video, peace. God bless. I am out.